Hey ChatGPT, play something for Morgue Playbox 2026.
Hotline Bling by Drake, now playing.
I've played with feet before.
You know you're the biggest.
Yeah, I love feet.
You know I like you, you know? Saw the toes, I'm not gonna take the shoe.
No, no me digan una cosa así.
I would love to do that for you.
Yeah, you like sexy. Yeah, every day I think about you like sexy.
You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you.
Maybe something more girly?
Thinking. Take It or Leave It. This is Britney Spears now playing.
I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Oh baby, it might seem like a crush, but it doesn't mean that I'm serious. 'Cause to lose all my senses, that is just so typically me. Oh baby, baby. I did it again. I played with your heart, got lost in the game. Oh baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love, that I'm sent from above. I'm not that innocent. You see, my problem is this: I'm dreaming away, wishing that the arrows they truly exist. I cry watching the days. Can't you see I'm a fool in so many ways?
Thank you for the help.
Glad to help you.